This Century 21 Cornelis-Simpson Incorporated property video is presented by Bob Huther. This is a nicely kept, spacious 4-square home. The home has an abundance of original oak woodwork, including French doors leading to the living room, updated kitchen, and main floor bath that features a no-step shower. Formal dining room has a nice original built-in. Original oak staircase leads to 4 bedrooms and a full bath on the second floor. There is a full walk-up attic that provides plenty of additional storage space. The home has a full basement that features a 3rd full bath and opportunities to finish to your liking. The 2-car detached garage is sided in vinyl and is accessed by a concrete driveway. The level lot is well maintained. This is a lot of home for the money. Stop out and see it. For more information.